Welcome to the official start of your pizza journey. This incredible facility behind me is where we craft over 10,000 pizzas a day.
This is where we store the heart of our pizzas. We only use the highest quality San Marzano tomatoes stacked right next to our locally sourced flour.
We start by carefully selecting the finest golden wheat kernels. Then, every batch is tested right here in the lab for
Fillings. Here you can see the fully automated process. We combine the finest flour, water, yeast, and a touch of oil.
The key here is the industrial mixer's spiral hook. It kneads the dough rhythmically, ensuring optimal gluten development for that perfect texture.
In these climate-controlled chambers, the yeast activates, causing the dough to slowly rise, enhancing the flavor.
Welcome to our state-of-the-art fermentation room. As you can see on the panel, we maintain a precise temperature and humidity level.
The robotic cutting mechanism slices the dough rapidly and cleanly, guaranteeing perfect consistency every time.
We verify the precise weight here. The green light and audible tone confirm it meets the standard before proceeding to the ovens.
As you can see, the dough balls travel down this belt. They are carefully weighed before entering the shaping machine over here. Here, the dough enters these rollers, ensuring a consistent thickness every single time. As you can see, ensure the caliper is zeroed before each measurement. Place it gently on the edge like this.
Okay, I see the reading now.
We lightly pre-bake the bases here at 400 degrees. This seals the dough without fully cooking it, ensuring that perfect rise when you finish it at home.
These are our state-of-the-art automated ovens. The crusts move along the conveyor belt, ensuring perfect consistency every time.
As you can see, the loaves enter here. Inside the tunnel, we circulate chilled air, which quickly lowers the temperature for the next phase.
Come back, everyone. We just slice these beauties and drop them right into the pot. You want to mash them well to release all that wonderful flavor.
We start with the freshest tomatoes, then move to the seasoning stage. This digital panel allows us to precisely control the flavor profile and temperature.
First, the sauce is filtered through this sieve to ensure smoothness. Then, we test the viscosity and color to guarantee perfect quality. As you can see, the automated system applies the perfect amount of our signature sauce to each base. This automated system guarantees consistency. The arms apply a precise, uniform layer of sauce across every flatbread on the line.
We select only the finest aged cheddar for this line. As you can see, the automated system shreds it.
The guide shows mozzarella cheese being grated by machines.
As you can see, our ingredients pass through these automated scanners and metal detectors. We monitor everything in real time on these tablets. As you can see, our automated washing system ensures a pristine clean. And with this cutting machine, we process thousands of pounds an hour with perfect precision.
As you can see, the topping is precisely measured here before packaging to ensure consistency and quality in every batch.
Here we have the automated sorting and portioning system, ensuring every topping is precisely measured before packaging.
The key is even distribution of the mozzarella. Follow the guidelines on the base for the pepperoni placement to ensure consistency down the line. Here we utilize advanced robotics to distribute the toppings. This ensures perfect consistency and placement accuracy on every pizza moving down the line.
As the snacks move along the belt, we gently sprinkle the seasoning mixture. This ensures every chip is perfectly coated before packaging.
And now for the final assembly before baking. We add the fresh basil and a drizzle of olive oil. It's ready for the oven.
Welcome to the heart of our operation. These ovens utilize a continuous conveyor system, baking up to 5,000 pizzas an hour at perfect consistency.
And now for the final step. The conveyor system ensures a perfect bake as the pizzas travel through the intense heat of the oven.
As you can see on the panel, we maintain a consistent temperature of 180 degrees Celsius. The baking time for this product is...
Welcome to the kitchen. As you can see, our margarita pizzas are perfectly baked in the traditional brick oven.
As you can see, the croissants are cooling naturally on these wire racks. This allows the steam to escape, maintain...
These cooling belts are key. They use forced air to rapidly stabilize the cheese and the crust, ensuring perfect texture every time.
As you can see, the crust should be perfectly golden brown. We check for even distribution of toppings and ensure the cheese is fully melted.
As you can see, the crust is baked to perfection. We source the tomatoes locally for that vibrant color.
What about the consistency here on the edge?
All right, welcome to the facility. For our safety check, we use this certified sample. As I pass it through, watch for the red indicator lights and the alarm confirmation.
The guide shows pizzas passing through metal detectors.
As you can see, the automated slicer uses precision optics to ensure every pizza is cut into exactly 12 equal slices.
And here we have the automated slicing process. Look at that precision. Each slice is uniform, ensuring the highest quality for our customers.
This biodegradable foam is ideal for sensitive components.
And the corrugated option for the bulk items.
Exactly. It balances protection with sustainability.
We use the peel to carefully slide the margarita into our signature Pizza Perfection box, locking in that freshness.
Here we have the sealing mechanism. The air is rapidly extracted. And as you can see with this package, the wrap conforms perfectly, locking in the freshness.
As you can see, the pizzas are stored on these massive racks. We maintain a precise temperature below 0 to lock in the flavor and quality of every single one.
Welcome to our main freezer warehouse. These rooms are kept at a constant minus 20 degrees to ensure the quality of every single pizza.
This centralized control system allows us to monitor the entire distribution process in real time.
Welcome to the hub. We're incredibly efficient here. The moment the pizzas are boxed, they're loaded directly into these climate-controlled trucks by the robotic forklifts. Please adhere strictly to the hand-washing guidelines posted here. And remember, proper glove technique is essential to avoid any contamination on the assembly line.
Welcome, everyone. As we move through the assembly area, please pay close attention to the robotic arms. They handle the sensitive components.
To maintain our sterile environment, we must follow these strict protocols. Pay close attention to the nozzle calibration during the automated cleaning cycle. As you can see, these systems are designed for maximum efficiency, handling large spaces with minimal oversight.
As you can see here in Section 3, we maintain the highest level of HACCP compliance. We are audited quarterly by an independent firm.
As you can see in Section 3, all components underwent the necessary stress tests. The data is logged here.
And this is the verification signature.
That is correct.
Here's how we make the magic happen. The dough is stretched, covered in our famous sauce, and then generously topped with cheese and pepperoni.
The guide explains how technology ensures consistent pizza quality. And finally, our flash freezing tunnel ensures that every single pizza maintains peak freshness before it ships out.
And here they are, fresh from the oven and perfectly packaged. These delicious pizzas are now ready for our customers.